Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't open any website on a browser in OnePlus Nord N30. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome and right here try to reach any website. So you can either refresh already open websites or try to reach new one with new tab. But our Google Chrome is bugged out, as you can see, almost nothing works. And to fix this, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down for additional settings. Here enter date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser, you can refresh the same page and now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.